friends. My name is Billy, and you can call me Billy Baby. Please, friends, I want to introduce my YouTube channel for you. The channel is Areva NGS TV. Please, my friends, go and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, like and share. I really love you, my friends, and I wish you all the best.
Hi, Billy.
Hi, good morning, doctor.
What are you doing here this morning?
Doctor, I am here to introduce my YouTube channel to the people, doctor.
Oh, good girl. Please, can you tell me the name of the YouTube channel?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, Billy, what is the name?
The name is Areva NGS TV.
Okay, my daughter. I will make sure to go and subscribe Areva NGS TV now, and I will tell all my friends to subscribe your channel, my daughter.
Okay, thank you, mommy. I will go now. I want to go and see Uncle Ustaz.
Okay. I wish you the best, my daughter.
Thank you, doctor. I am going. Good morning, uncle.
Good morning, my daughter. I hope you are all fine.
Fine, uncle. Uncle, please, I want you to introduce my YouTube channel in your company.
Wow. That's great, my daughter. It means that you have a YouTube channel now?
Yes, uncle.
Okay, daughter. What is the name of the channel?
The name is Areva NGS TV, uncle.
Okay. Daughter, I will go and subscribe the channel now. And I will call all my friends to subscribe their daughter's channel. Are you happy?
Yes, uncle. Thank you very much. I love you, uncle.
I love you too, my daughter.
I am going, uncle.
Goodbye, daughter.
Okay, bye, uncle.
Hi friends, my name Bally. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Watch Billy and Bally. Episode 1 is coming very soon. Hit the notification bell to get the videos in time. I wish you the best.
Watch Billy and Bally episode 1 on Areva NGS TV.
Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.